On this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram black screen in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, so welcome back to this new brand video. So what you have to do is simple. To fix the black screen problem, go to the settings on your phone like this, and then go to the wireless and networks, click on it, and then all what you have to do here now is very simple. Just enable the airplane mode and wait a few seconds and then disable it. Now go back and go to the apps manager, go to apps right here and then search for Instagram, click on it. Now here on this page you will find the app information, so all what you have to do here is just click on force stop. After you click on force stop, now all what you have to do is go to the data usage and make sure that all those options are enabled. And that's it guys. Now restart your phone and reopen Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful.